Got a Honda Civic on a '06 plate and the brake light bulb's gone. Right, so get your hand under the catch there. Open your boot. This panel, we've just taken it down. Right, now the way you get that down is, see just in the corner there, you got a little notch. Once you get it down, just pull it out. Let me show you the panel. There's the panel. Alright, these bits just pressing that one look like it's broken. Alright, so that fits in just like that. So it presses in there. And you just get a screwdriver, finger, whatever, pull it down, it comes out. Under there is your bulb, right? Grab hold of it, twist towards the back, you twist that way, and pull it down. Alright? Come on, girl. There's your bulb. Pull your bulb out. There's your bulb. Get your new bulb. Press it in. Just like that. Test your brake before you put it back. Make sure it is working. Put it in. You got locators on your thing, but same way you get it out, it should go back near enough. Because it lines up just like that. And then you twist back the other way. That's it. You'll feel it like a notch. And that's in there. And you get your panel back. And you press that in there. Line it all up. And it just presses in. Like that. Yeah, but get that end in first. Right, so I'm going to take it back down again. Finger. Pull out. Get that end in. Hear it clipping? It will all just press in, but because I'm doing it with one hand, I need my other hand now. There you go. Put the bottom end in first, yeah? Bottom end in first, and then press. Good as new. Okay, that's how you change your bulb, brake light bulb on your Honda Civic on the '06 plate. Finger, pull, down. Bulb, twist, out. Bulb, pull, out. We're going to get a new bulb, so I'm not going to put all that palaver again. Alright, there's your bulb, not a standard bulb, but this is one of them. Alright, later.